Hello, today I'm going to show you how to solve Discord soundboard not showing up on server. Let's start. First of all, open up the Discord. Currently, it seems that this feature is limited to servers who have less than 50 members. Also, the number of people are reporting that the cause of this problem is the less number of members. Now close the Discord and click on the window icon from the bottom left corner. Then right-click on Discord and tap on Uninstall. After that, the Uninstall Change a Program is open. You can select a program from this given list and then click to uninstall. So scroll down in the list to find the Discord. If you don't find it, then click on Search Bar and search Discord in here. Then right-click on the Discord setup to uninstall it. After that, wait until the program is finished uninstalling. Now click on Windows icon and search %app data % in here. Then open up the file of the app data. Once you open the app data file folder, you can see the Discord folder in here. Right-click on Discord folder and tap to delete it. Now, after deleting the folder, close the page and search for %local app data % in the search bar. Then open up Chrome or any other web browser you have. Then select your account to continue using Chrome. Now search Discord in here. Then click to open the Discord. Hit the download button to download the Discord for Windows. Once the download is complete, click to reinstall it in Windows. So these are 1 or 2 ways you can try to resolve this problem. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this, and explain me how we're solving new problems every day.